we have here? Allure September. Everyone, welcome to my channel. I have here finally the Allure Beauty Box. Yeah. So we have the September 2019 Allure Beauty in the house. Now the box, I can tell, is a bit smaller than August. And I did do a smidget of a sneak peek, but not a big sneak peek. So I'm very curious to see exactly what all this little guy here has in here, man. All right, Allure is like the rest of them, but not quite. Allure, the magazine, each month they select products to go in the box. Probably ties in with their magazine or an article in it, and it's just some of the best that they vote for. Their editors feel we should be in the know about, and they send some deluxe size samples or sample size products. And your first box, if you've never been with them before, is $10 per month, and $15 thereafter if you decide to stay with Allure Beauty. The first box that I received from them, and it looks like this is their way of doing things, is you do get a booklet. And the booklet will detail in it about each product selected, where to buy it, if there's a promo code that they've worked out for us to have. It'll give you that information. And another thing that I like about this subscription service that's a little unique is that they will give you not only the promo code, but the expiration date of how long you'll have to utilize it. And I also like that they tell you where you can find this stuff. I already see, it spoiled something for me. It's wrapped in tissue paper. And this is everybody. All right, let's dig in. Let's go through this. Let's talk. I'm a little sad because I did see that Laura Mercier, and I'm not going to say what was one of the items that you could get. So you could get either that or NARS, and I was somewhat neutral, but the meter was leaning a little bit towards the Laura Mercier, only because I've seen so many videos speaking about it. 2 minutes in, and the first item we have here is NARS. So I didn't get the Laura Mercier, but I got NARS, and this is a Velvet Matte Lip Pencil Crayon. It is 0.8 ounces, and it's in the color Dolce Vita. So, Dolce Vita, a lip crayon. I don't have this in my collection, though I do have some NARS things, so this is cool to try out, you know what I mean? If we were to try to go buy this right now, we wouldn't be getting it for $15, I don't think. And this is the color. So it really matches very closely to the Bite Beauty that came in the Sephora video that I did. Check the card above if you want to check it out. But I think this is nice, and it's portable. This is something you could pop in your purse. If you're not going, I would say with a product like this, maybe if you're not going to be in too hot or humid of a climate with your handbag, I think this would be very great because you could line the lips and fill them in and be good to go. And let's see, I'm going to apply it on my hand too, guys. I'm sorry. Just so you can see what it's like, at least on my skin tone. So that's what the color looks like. Let's see what this thing retails for. Oh boy. Sorry. I'm making a mess and got it in my hands. I'm pumped up. My video is over there rendering now to go up for you guys. This is my first little detail video, and I found that very exciting to do. Whoa, what the happy sticks? This pencil would be $27. Well, there's almost 2 boxes, 2 months boxes. Definitely 2 if you signed up and then renewed. $27, and you would get this from Sephora.com. It's saying it's soft, rounded tip, like an extremely buttery crayon, applies smoothly, and the pigmentation factor is definitely impressive. Though you can blot it out, you know, to try to wash the color out some or tone it down. Let's see, it says it never leaves your lips cracked or cakey, and it's got serious staying power. You know, this thing is... We're going on to the next thing, guys. What our next thing in here? Let's go with another. We got a Ciate London. Now, I got a Ciate London this month in my Ipsy. If I have room in the cards, because it only allows 5, then I'll put that video up for you. So we have a Ciate London Dewy Stick. Luminous Highlighting Boom. The packaging is very cute. Hold on one second. Let me adjust the lighting. Okay, hopefully you can see the item a little bit better. And then, let's see, do I twist? Like you just twist and it'll pop up. And that's the color of it. Interesting. Let's see, do you have like a Flintstone push-up thing going on? Yes, we do. And so you just push up and then you can kind of roll it back down. Interesting. A dewy highlighting stick. And this would be $26 if you were to buy. I don't know if this is full size or sample size, but if you were to get the full size of it in the marketplace, it's $26. You would get this at ciatelondon.com, and there is a promo code and an expiration date of November 1st. And there wasn't a promo code for NARS. That doesn't surprise me. If you find one, it'll be more so through buying it directly through them, unless Sephora is having a sale. Next thing we have here is a Allure, oh my lord, brightening facial scrub. Okay, this Allure brightening facial scrub, we received a 4-ounce product to sample. You can get this at Allure.com. It retails for $9.99. And it's saying it, the person who selected this for the box says it makes their face feel smoother, and they love the ingredient list. Clay, which cleans the skin by pulling gunk out of the pores. Walnut shell powder, which exfoliates without being abrasive. Aloe to help soothe. And its scent is really fresh and clean, even though it's kind of shocking black when it comes out of the tube. It rinses away easily. And their digital beauty director is the one who picked this. All right. $9.99 for that guy. What else do we have in here? Okay, we have a duo. And it is, let me find it in the book. All right, Nature Lab Tokyo. This duo won Best Beauty Award in 2018 for calming frizz on every texture. So it's supposed to be able to be universal, no matter the hair type. They're sulfate free. They're great for color treated hair. A year and change later, I'm still obsessed with these for smoothing my hair, flyaway prone hair. So smoothing my fine flyaway prone hair. I used them recently after a weekend Long Beach vacation, and they made my hair look so healthy and shiny. Let's see here. Now we're going to skip down a little bit. It's got a warm and citrusy scent. It doesn't weigh the hair down. Shine boosting ingredients: oregon, baobab, marula oils, and detangling and smoothing ceramides, plus the shampoo and conditioners are vegan and cruelty free, and the formula doesn't contain parabens or sulfates. They're $14 each, and you would be able to get these guys at Amazon.com or Nature Lab. This video is about finished over here. Hold on one second. Okay, so this is interesting. I want to say I've heard of Nature Lab a while back. Don't recall if I had any thoughts on it, but it's got a lot of good things going for it. And we have, let's see, one more item in here. Now this is different than what I already have, but this I do like. And I probably, you'd think I know how to pronounce it. I get this off and on. I've gotten it in a Target beauty box, as well as, I want to say, an old Sephora play. And I do use the balm of this guy, this brand, La Rouge Posha, something like that. But this is for eczema, and my granddaughter suffers from eczema. Her little skin has improved a lot. Whoa, this person is saying their 5-year-old son had eczema since he was 18 months old. I've tried every fragrance-free cream and ointment to soothe it. This is the rare one that actually he'll let slather on his body in the morning, and at night most are too thick and greasy for him, and it's really helped ease his redness, itchiness, and scaliness. Oh my goodness. This contains colloidal oatmeal. Let's see here. Tried and true eczema treatment. This is also great to ease dry hands. It's hydrating without being too heavy. It makes a great hand cream. And this would go really well for the winter climates, because she's saying that you can use this, you know, as chapped cheeks, feet, and elbows. This is $14.99. You can get it from this company's website. And like I said, I believe this is also in Target, because I think I got this from a Target beauty box. And this also comes with the coupon code that expires November 1st. So let's pop this open, and then, so yeah, they're little. That's how big the moisturizing balm I have. But when I know I'm going to be outside or something like that, and I clean my face and everything, I will use the balm sometimes when I don't want to use, I don't know, Murad or somebody that's back there in my cabinet or collection of things. So I use it in conjunction with other stuff, or to prolong the life of something else I have that's more expensive, and I find that it does do what it says it's going to do. So that's it, everyone. That's September's Allure Beauty. I probably would hold on to this because, like I said, my granddaughter, her skin is improved. Right now it's just her little knuckles and the elbow, and like sometimes in the inner arm. So we've come a long ways. I do like the pencil. I think it's a really, you know, unique grab and go, no fuss type of product. This is interesting. This is interesting. The Dewy Stick is going in my little giveaway collection, and I haven't made up my mind on these two guys, but they may go in the giveaway thing as well. I'm not 100% certain. I want to read on them a little bit more. So that's it. So it was 50-50. You know what I'm saying? When I feel like I can put something and gift it away, I don't count the box as a loss, because I'm not going to personally use every single thing. These boxes, I think, is just a very economical way to get yourself introduced to different brands without going and spending $27 and $26 to find out if you like it or not. And I think it's also makes great gifting. You may not want to spend $30 or $40 for one item for someone, excuse me, when you can get them a very nice little gift bag and fill it with some tissue paper and some little candies or something, a little gift card, and put some of these samples in that bag for someone. So yeah, that's it. I'm going to get on out of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Tell me what you got, what you thought about your Allure Beauty, if you're subscribed, or if you're considering subscribing, or you're not subscribed, you're not going to subscribe, but you saw something in this video that you thought was interesting. Holla at your girl. Have a blessed everyone. Peace.